What's the meaning of brusquely? Brusquely. Brusquely.
Brusquely. Brusquely. Brusquely means to act or speak in an abrupt, curt, or blunt manner without any concern for politeness or tact. When someone behaves brusquely towards another person, it can leave them feeling shocked, offended, or upset. Such behavior may come across as rude, aggressive, or dismissive and can damage relationships and harm the level of trust between people. It is important to be aware of how we treat others and ensure that we communicate effectively with respect and consideration for their feelings. Being gentle, patient, and understanding can go a long way in fostering positive relationships and creating a harmonious environment.